what's new in the Discord, because I've been missing out. Okay, y'all. I'm now in, and now added the turkey. The Grim Corp set. Those sets. You guys know what time it is. It's time to look. We're gonna head to the new area first. Y'all know what time it is. Climb time. By your best friend. Me. Y'all may know how low of content creator I am. It's called the Yeet Blade, y'all. I guess it's a grappler. With this on, it can be a Yeet Blade because y'all, okay. Let's do this. Hello, guys. Low content creator. Just make sure not to be rude. Like, y'all, I don't have no more school, so I can post often. Like, so often. Like, you guys don't even need to ask me to. Y'all, we're gonna try this out first. Guys, I'll go show you this. Oh, Animal Company took a few million off of me, y'all. So, yo, I need y'all to help me with that. Get me rich. Okay, y'all. We did that. Let's head over here. Sorry, y'all, plug your nose. Okay, y'all. We need a subject to shoot this on. Okay, yo, let's go get someone. Does anyone want to follow me? Does anyone want to follow me? And they'll get the new weapon.
New weapon?
Yeah, the new weapon. RPG.
Yeah.
I can't.
You?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yep.
An RPG.
I'll be right back.
You mean the things that are been in the game?
No, they just added that.
This?
Yeah.
That? What is it?
I'm right here.
Fred, I sent you a
Hold
friend
up.
request. Say yes.
Okay.
Hold up. Let me check.
Okay.
Okay, tell me when you accept.
Calling the new updates.
What?
Follow me.
Cancel the new update.
Where's another ogre
No, the update happened. Follow me. Follow me.
When?
You guys
fist? Somebody provide me with a new ogre fist, pretty please.
Red.
How to get it?
Yeah, come here.
Friend, I want to show you the new stuff.
Oh, someone took it. Oh, come on.
Okay, join me. Join me.
No, there's a thing in
Hold
arena.
up.
Wait, bro, can I add you?
Join
Bro,
me.
can I add you?
Yo, we gotta show him. They recently added the Team Red promo code, no space, y'all. It gets you the outfit,
About the thing in arena, or you already know about it.
Wait, no, not the arena. Follow me. They added a rooster and some new
The
bundles.
turkey!
Turkey,
About the
same thing.
turkey.
They added turkey in that stuff. And
Bro.
if you had two outfits, there's some new
Turkey.
outfits.
Bro, it's only 5,000 too. I could buy the turkey for my birthday.
Okay, dude, now let me show you the new items. Can I test it on you, please? That's why I'm trying to get someone.
Sure.
You're also gonna keep it.
But wait, what? Where do you get that?
It's in Tech Tree. I'll give you this.
Where is it? Where is it? Where is
Not
it?
yet.
Where is it?
Not yet, dude. I want to show you everything first.
I'm looking on the thing.
Hold on, wait, can I have one?
Wait, first, let me try these.
Bro,
3 hit.
there's no way that 3 shots you. Hold on, let me try it on you. Let me try it on you.
Wait, can I let you have it after I'm done?
No way. It's half hook shot too.
Okay, head over here now.
That's the RPG, isn't it?
They call it the... Wait, hold up. Let me try again. I keep on missing, y'all.
Are they not adding the... Are they gonna add the revamp or not?
Soon, my brother. Was this the last day of your school?
No.
Is school already down for you?
No.
Okay, now let me give you the new items.
Me.
And I'll let you test it on me.
Let me
Wait,
try it.
stop real quick. I want to see something. Get out of safe zone.
try this out first.
Wait, now try that. Try that. Try that on.
Main thing I like is this, because it's half hookshot and half sword.
Let me tell you the name. It's called the Yeet Blade.
Bro, the thing I love most is that they brought back the turkey. It's kind of fat.
Dude, they're gonna probably add back the polar bear.
Bro, I swear they leaked a pig in the next update. That was leaked ages ago. That was leaked in the arena when arena came out.
Yeah, so they're gonna do that next update.
Wait, when is the next update?
Next Tuesday or Wednesday, I don't know.
Oh, why is the rabbit eyes sticking out? I'm probably gonna need to go, man. It's on 5. But I wish you could try on like new stuff. I wish you could try on the stuff, but the new animals. But instead of it being in this tube,